Hello guys, Slew Jerry speaking. Today we do a box of just one package. Today we'll open this up right now. Let's get, shall we? So we got for us. It's gonna be a say goodbye to this webcam seen here. It's gonna be a dumb webcam since I have this since 2015. And say hello to this 2K webcam. Seen here, Remix recommend me. This Anchor 2K webcam, HD webcam. It's a PowerConf 2 C200 webcam. If Remix is watching this, for you, buddy. I'm gonna have to plug this in right now. See what it looks like, shall we? So we got for us. Before we do, front, the side, and the back. See the back, okay. And it features 2K 30 frames per second, 95 degrees Fahrenheit. The microphone has ×2, which I don't use that much. The plugins it's working just fine. And AF, someone that I can't pronounce that, sorry. And some fan, so that works just fine. Let me just open this up and see how it works. Okay, first I need to get some scissors real quick. And if you watch this remix, I do thank you for that. But anyway, see how this works. How do I open this? Okay, I got it. It's not gonna show up. Hang on. Oh man. Okay. It works. Okay, got it. Got it. It works as a pro. Anyway, going with scissors is fine. And let's get this out of the way. Okay. Let's get this out of the way before we get to it out of the way. There we go. Let's open it and see how this works. Okay. Oh, yeah. It works just fine. It was a webcam, right? So, what I'll do is see what it looks like here. I have some instructions to read. See how it works. I know how this thing works, okay? So I don't need an instruction manual for it. So, what I like to do is peel off the thing here so that way more easier for me to turn it on and things like that. It's a lot easier to peel this thing off, and that way more easier for me to just plug this thing in, and that way you can all see me on video on my computer for the first time since last week. And mostly because last week is terrible for me to tape videos like this, you know. And yeah, that'll work just fine. And yeah. Anyway, it works body proof. Let's see if it works in action. Oh wow. See that again? One more time. Wow, it works just fine. Anyway, I have to get this out of the way and probably open up this. I'm not gonna peel it like a banana or something. Goofy. Anyway, like Goofy from Disney. Anyway, let's peel. I'm not gonna talk about this right now. Anyway, let's unknot this and then we'll probably connect this and be able to do it. If it works and it with me. Okay, there we go. Okay, there we go. Works with me anyway. Come on, anyway. There we go. Webcam. And is there anything else? None. Okay, none. Okay, that's it. Let's see here. That's it. I think that's it. That's all I got for webcam. the first time since I don't know, May years ago. Since May years now, since I haven't got a webcam. Let's say a 4K webcam. Let's hook this up. And excuse my butt a little bit. Let's get this out of the way. See how this thing works. What I'm gonna do is just unhook this up a little bit. Okay, there we go. Got it. Okay. I'll pull the webcam now. Excuse my mic a little bit. And, yeah. See that in action for the first time, and see how this thing works. Oh, man. I want to drop that, but, you know, excuse that, but let's just hold this for a while. I might as well hold the webcam. Just for first safety reasons, just because. And, yeah. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and put this in, see how this thing works. But if it doesn't work, chances are, why don't you buy another webcam? See how this thing works. Okay. Let's try again. This time I'm using this. Works just like a charm, ladies and gentlemen. And I'll see you on the other side. 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is more like it. Okay. So, okay, but what's missing is it's some parts in the video seen here. So let's just stop the record and see what it looks like now. There you go. That's my new webcam. That is pretty amazing right there. And boy, oh boy, I love the new webcam better than the old ones. The old ones are broken now. I just like, my God, what's going to be happening there? So, if you look closely, you will see now the professional stuff you see there. Like, for example, say, cameras like these. Hold on one sec. And cameras, you just see, for example, like my full body, you know, in blurry way. Let's turn it back into normal size, okay? Because I want you to see that. Okay? Because it's much better in full body size, normal size, and then my full body size. It's a lot easier. Okay? So I set it up quickly and it turned out to be great. So there you go. That is the sub and a box video for today. March 16th, 2023. Hope you enjoy it. Stay tuned for the next one. It's gonna be 3 brand new episodes of Ripley's Believe It or Not, and then including an outtake. I've goofed up in episode 561, but hell, stuff happens. Till next time, LukeJ62895's, you can wear this, so it's out. See ya.